So I asked on Facebook, hey, what's a way I can make some money online? Please don't get me into your network marketing deals. I knew that I was going to open a can of worms, and there's nothing wrong with that. I know friends that are, really successful, and I'm sure there are some, but that wasn't me. I didn't want to go down that road. In fact, she's a member of the MST community. She said, hey, won't you, have you ever thought about selling online through Amazon? I'm like, wait a minute, you can sell on Amazon? I had no idea. I thought that when you buy products from Amazon, you're buying it from Amazon.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
So guys, you can sell on Amazon. It's not just books. It's not when you buy through Amazon. A lot of people think it's Amazon's products and they store it somewhere. All these huge warehouses that you see popping up everywhere across the country, you might think those are Amazon's products that are all in there. Well, definitely are, but there's a lot of, millions of third-party sellers like Carl and myself who buy products at various places, send them to Amazon, and they get stored in those warehouses that you see. And when a customer buys them, Amazon employees will pack it up, put it in a box, send it to that customer, and pay Carl and myself. And there's a huge opportunity on Amazon. So you can sell on Amazon.com or .co.uk or anywhere pretty much in the world.
Absolutely. You don't have to have a business plan. You don't have to go to a bank asking for money. You can just start with used books. And essentially,
is that how you get started with used books?
Well, it's funny how you ask. So when I first dabbed into this, I was a knucklehead. I was, so I'm hoping everybody that's listening to this is tuning in.
So this can work for knuckleheads?
Yes, because I was that guy. So I dived in. I dived into what's called online arbitrage, where you could buy products online and flip it through the same thing. You send it to Amazon and flip it for a profit. So I hired a bunch of VAs and bought everything they recommended. Well,
and guys, VAs are virtual assistants, probably in the Philippines that he was getting these VAs from. People who work that you can hire overseas, usually the Philippines, and they'll do all types of online jobs for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And they're a blessing, let me tell you. However, you still got to do your research. And anybody that's listening to this that knows Amazon and has been on Amazon for any period of time is probably cringing when I'm about to say this, but I bought everything they told me to buy. They put on their sheets. So, having 4 or 5 VAs, I was just buying stuff. And I couldn't understand what I was doing wrong until that point where it's like, I probably should have done that. So meanwhile, stuff's still sitting in Amazon.
At least you took action though.
Yeah, exactly. Right. So I was like, man, you know what? This ain't it for me. So I tossed the towel. I'm like, this is it. I'm done. I wasted so much money. Plus my other side hustle started to kick back up. I'm done. So I stayed in the MST community, my Sonic Team community with Jim Cochran. I stayed in there. I wasn't active, but I just kind of scrolling through. And I saw people being successful. I saw success stories left and right. Some that were like, wait a minute, this person's doing $10,000 a month. Wait a minute, didn't this guy just start a couple months ago?
Right.
So I'm like, all right, so I'm going to do this again. I'm going to give this a try one more time. But this time I'm taking my time. I'm learning it. I'm going to, I'm actually going to do what I'm supposed to be doing the first time around. So I got back into used books, or I started with used books. So a lot of times I could get books for free or pay as much as 25 cents and turn around and sell them for sometimes as much as $50 each. Heck of a return on investment, if you ask me.
Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.